my channel Wise Man. So today I am going to show you unboxing of gym set. So I ordered this from Amazon, and as you can see, this parcel comes in 3 different boxes. So one is this, the big one, as you can see over here. This is the bench. So this gym set is of 20 kg, and these are the plates. Or as you can see, it's a heavy box, consists of plates, and then it has two things. One is straight rod, and second one is the curl rod. So we are going to see what is the quality of this gym set, and how they have packed it, and how we are getting it. So first of all, let's see these rods that we are getting in this gym set. So the packing is nice, as you can see, and before that, come over here and see this thing. So this product is a BodyFit home gym combo set. The price is around 3,700, which is very nice as compared to the other products on Amazon. And the seller is BodyFit Gym. So I ordered it on March 19, and today is 25th March. So I got this in 6 days. As you can see over here, this is the company which has delivered this product, which is spot on, and this is not delivered by Amazon delivery guy. They have hired a company which is spot on for delivery, and their service is very good because they have called me half an hour before delivering this so that I can be at my place. Okay, so now let's unbox this and see what is the quality of the gym set. So the packing is nice. It is covered in this plastic durable material, and we also have inbuilt like one cover of plastic on the rods for finishing. So like the finishing will be good when the product gets delivered. So let me take this out and see. So the finishing is good over here at the end. As you can see, it is not as much as per, like the finishing is not as good, but it is desirable for the price that we are getting. Is like 3,700, around 4,000. So it is fine for this kind of amount. Otherwise you have to go for higher range, around 4,000 to 7,000. Sorry, 7,000, more than 7,000 to get nice quality of products. But if you want to exercise at your home at a low price, then I think this product is good and nice to start your workout on a regular basis. Okay, so we are removing this plastic cover. You can see the finish of this curl rod is fine. It has grips over this part for holding. At one side, this one grip over here, symmetry on this. Somewhat, as you can see, this grip is on this heel part. Over here it is got shifted, so there is some kind of error on this, which you can see clearly. So the finish is not as good as we are expecting on this product. Now let's remove cover for this and see what about the straight rod. For this also, I think they have given me the new product, because as you know, some Amazon seller, they will give you second hand product, like the return product if you are ordering. Okay, so over here as you can see, this is the dent. Like the finishing again is not good, and it is very sharp. As you can see, it is very sharp, so you have to be sure. See over here, see the grip is continuous on this part, but on this side if you can see, the grip is not so continuous. Like you can see, this is some shiny part over here, so the grip is again not continuous. Again they have this error while finishing. So 2 rods, curl, and this one, and let me show you that how to hold this. So it is fine for curl, like for bicep curl, for tricep it's fine. Okay, so let's put it aside. So now again let's open this second box. Again it is Spartan, the delivery courier service, and so it is a Parle G biscuit that we are getting. Okay, so we have this box, and they have packed very well. As you know, the roads of India. Okay, so now this contains 2 dumbbell rods as they promised. They have given 1 towel and gloves. Quality is not as good as you can see, but what do you expect in 3700? Again 2 gloves, and then this is the hand curl for palm, but the quality again is, as you can see, it is not as good. It is काम चलाओ,
काम चलाओ.
And then what we have skipping rope, which is long enough, I think. Right, it's long enough. This is the clip for so when we put these weights on this is the clip for that support, like to hold that weights in place. So for holding the weights, we got these 2 clips. Having this low quality bag in this, I don't know why they are given, but you can just give this to your friend as a gift. Okay, and then we have this one more and one more. So we have this 2 for curl, so 2 for curl, and this 2 for this straight rod. Okay, and then what we have, so the plates are here. So 3, 5, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 15, 3 and 2, 5, 20 kg. Now let's see about this dumbbell rod. Again, this quality is not good, as you can see.
बोरी हो जाए खोलते खोलते.
So this will give you exercise of your wrist, as you can see. So they have used this technique to give the exercise for your wrist, because you are not going to do exercise on your wrist. So just move this, and as you can see, you are giving exercise on your wrist. So this is the wrist exercise. It's good. Okay, the finishing is good. Finishing is okay, and the plastic quality is also fine, as you can see, this quality. So they have just created, manufactured, and just giving us as a raw, I think. Okay, so that's for this. They have these threads on this to again tighten you and to give your wrist exercise. Okay. As you can, I think you can't smell it, but the paint, I think, so I am getting the smell of paint. Got one bench, as you can see over here. One bench, yeah, na? One bench. This is I got used one, as you can see the marks, like it is the used one and it is not packed in polythene. So you can see I got a used one for this. This is the rod which you can fix for incline and decline bench. And this is the leg support, 2 leg support and 2 leg support for bench. This is the bench body 1 and 2. This is the seat, as you can see. This is the bridge, like the joints for bench. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again 9, body 10, 11 and 12. So we have 12 parts. This is the for flying. So we have 12 parts, and now I will join this and I will show you how it will look like after joining all these parts. So as you can see, we have the screws on some parts, as you can see, and again the finishing is not as per mark, as you can see over here. And as you can see over here also, we have screws, but I don't know what will happen for this holes. I think I will, when I join it, I can get some spare screw, but I did not get any screw, bunch of screws for joining this. So let me see after joining what we can get. So this is the home gym set, as you can see. After assembling all these like all the parts of the bench, we are getting this kind of scene of a bench. As you can see over here, the material of this bench is like okay. You can't say it's good. It is okay. It is not moving, but this part, it is just shaking because of this. The joint is not very good over here. So as you can see, it is moving. So that's the one drawback of this. Overall, you can change the height of the bench, like from incline to decline. So by removing the rod from here, you can see it is now declined. So you can do decline bench press or decline flying over here. So this is a flying thing which you can do, and you can put the weights over here. So flying both the sides we have. And now if you want to make it inclined, so first you need to move this bench, then insert this rod, and then you can get the inclined bench press. And this is the rod from which you can start doing bench press. You can also put the rod over here when you are doing decline. So this is for incline, and now as you can see over here, this is for leg. So when you are doing leg exercise, you can put weight over here. This is the weight place, and you can start doing your legs from this.
ले ली थी.
So from this you can do the legs, and for your back muscles of legs